Hello everyone, this is Jesse Dye, software engineer for the pet-friendly software PetFriend. And today we're going to start our training on the pet-friendly software. So first we're going to start with our task module. So currently we are logged into the home page. You'll see the animal status page with all your statistics for your organization. So along the top you're going to see our navigation bar. So the first one we're going to go to is the one that's named tasks with the little wrench at the top. If you are on a mobile device, you'll notice that there is no menu bar across. However, there is 3 markers that you can click down, and then from here it'll collapse into a menu system, and from here you can click on tasks. So since we're on a desktop, we get the full menu system. So from here I'm going to navigate to tasks. So the first thing you're going to see inside the task menu are your task, the ability to create a task using the add task. You can see any tasks that you've completed. You can also see all active tasks within the organization, and then within the organization you can also see all completed tasks. So if I go into my tasks, I can see a few tasks have been assigned to me, such as cleaning kennels. We also have an adopt-a-thon coming up, so I can go in here and I can view the details on it. And if I've completed the task, I can go in here, mark it as complete. This tool overall is useful for volunteer coordinators, especially if you have multiple people coming in and out of your organization that just kind of need something to do. You could set them up with an account, or maybe a day or two in advance. Volunteer coordinator could set up specific tasks for each of your users. So looking further, if I want to create a task for a specific user, I can also assign up to 4 additional users for support. So in this case, if I wanted to, let's say, walk dogs let's see, have some volunteers walk dogs in Kennels 1, 10 through 20. And just set a date for that. Through 20. And what I could do is I could assign a volunteer, and I could also assign maybe an officer or a manager to help. In this case, I'm also just going to assign myself to this, and a manager. That way we can kind of just check in, make sure everything's going okay. So once you go back, you can see now the task has been assigned to me and the other user. So we share a task now. So flipping back, once I complete this task, it'll show up in the completed task for the day. So this is useful for tracking workflow inside of an organization. More and more organizations are going to a workflow model, which allows you to basically create generic work that's just considered day-to-day work. Shelters typically have this, such as cleaning kennels, doing medications for animals in the morning and in the evenings, feeding animals, and walking animals, and just other miscellaneous tasks that are considered day-to-day, chores for the most part. So this kind of helps you as a manager and as an administrator to kind of, take the reins of your organization, break down individual tasks for your day, and then spread it out across for your workers. And this concludes our little brief overview of the tasks within PetFriend. And our next module, if you stay tuned, will be for animals.